Hello, parents and students. My name is Harshada, and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today, we will be discussing IMO International Mathematics Olympiad for Class 1, Chapter 3 Subtraction. Topics which will be covered in this chapter are as subtract by taking away, subtract one digit and two digit numbers, subtract numbers given in the form of number names and place values, subtraction on number line, solve word problems on subtraction. So let's get started with the chapter Mathematical Reasoning, first section. Question number 1. So there is a number line which is given and it shows what? So let us closely understand this number line. So from 0 there is a jump to 8. 0 से jump किया है 8 तक, right? So which means this is starting point is 8. Okay, and then उसके बाद there is a jump or by 1 but in the left direction. Okay, सो लेफ्ट में अगर जंप है तो इट विल बी माइनस और अगर राइट में जंप है तो इट विल बी प्लस. सो दिस इज 8 minus 1 2 3 which is 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So final answer is 5. Okay, so that is why the this number line will represent 8 minus 3 equal to 5, which is option C. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Which of the following number sentences represent the given picture? So ये जो दिया है options में ये number sentences है. Okay, something minus something equal to something ऐसा. Okay, so plus में भी होता है number sentence, minus में भी होता है. Okay, so let us see what has been given. So we have been given burgers. कितने burgers है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and नीचे की line में भी 11. So there are 22 burgers which has been given. Alright, so your number sentence will be 22 से start होगा. Okay, so now how many burgers are crossed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 burgers are crossed. मतलब 22 minus 9. Right? So जब भी हमें minus करना है इस तरह से we cross them off. Right? So 22 minus 9 which is equal to 13. So your number statement representing this figure is option B, 22 minus 9 equal to 13. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. There is a pencil given and it has some numbers. Okay, so 3 tens and 4 ones. 3 tens is 30, 4 ones plus 4 34, 1 10 and 2 ones, so this is 12. 34 minus 12, let's solve it. Solving it, I get it as 22, which is option A. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Which abacus shows 25 minus 12 equal to 13? Okay, so we have to look at the abacus option and we have to see where it is done 25 minus 12. So which means जहाँ पे 5 beads है उसमें से 2 beads क्रॉस किया है. ओके, और जहाँ पे 2 beads है उसमें से एक bead क्रॉस किया है. That is how the abacus will show and finally it will show you 13. So let us look at the option. Option A, यहाँ पे 1 क्रॉस किए और 3 क्रॉस किए. We have to get where 2 is crossed, right? So this is not the case. Now let us look here. 1 cross किया, again 3 is crossed and moreover number of beads is 6. So नहीं, this is also not correct. Here जो 1 है वो ही पूरा क्रॉस किए, बाकी तो देख के फायदा ही नहीं है. So this will also be not the answer. Now let us look at option D. Out of 2 beads, 1 is crossed. Okay. And then out of 5 beads, 2 is crossed. So final answer is 1, 3, 13. Right? So please take option D as the answer to this question. To the next question, question number 5. The difference between the greatest and the smallest number shown in the cell phone is dash. Okay, so cell phone दिया है, उस पे कुछ numbers दिए. So the greatest number निकालना है और smallest निकालना है, and then we have to find the difference. Difference मतलब subtraction. Okay, so let us closely look at the cell phone. Okay, looking at this, we can make out इसमें greatest number is 98, सबसे बड़ा, and the smallest number is 17. So what is expected is difference निकालना है 98 and 17 में. So which means do the subtraction, that is 98 minus 17. So let us do that. Doing the subtraction, I get answer as 81, which is option C. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 6. Which of the following is the correct way of writing 6 less than 13? 6 less than 13 matlab 13 minus 6. And 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Which is option A. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 7. How many crayons should be crossed to show 9 crayons uncrossed? Okay, so final answer हमें 9 चाहिए, which means ये कितने crayons को हमें cross करना है so that you will have 9 uncrossed crayons, मतलब 9 crayons जो remaining है या left है. Okay, so let us do that. So what we should be doing is we should leave 9 crayons as is and जो बाकी के बचे उनको क्रॉस कर देते हैं. So let's do that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 इतने अनक्रॉस चाहिए, तो बाकी के हम क्रॉस कर देते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right? So we should cross 6 crayons so that 9 will be uncrossed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. है कि नहीं? So please take option B as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 8. 97 minus 65 is equal to. So let's do the subtraction. Doing the subtraction, I get the answer as 32, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 9. Choose the correct subtraction sentence for the given picture. Okay, so we can see some flowers are crossed. And we have to see how many. First, we have to see how many total number of flowers are there. And then we have to check how many of them are crossed. So let us find the total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. So we have got total flowers as 27. उसमें से कितने माइनस किए हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 क्रॉस किए हैं तो माइनस किए, राइट? सो यू हैव 27 minus 5. सो हमें ये देखना है कि ये जो नंबर सेंटेंसेस है इसमें से 27 minus 5 कौन सा है. So what this will be? 23 minus 4, because 2 tens and 3 ones is 23, minus 4 ones is 4. So this is 23 minus 4. This is 24 minus 5. This is 27 minus 5, which is what we have also got and should be answer to this question. But let's still look at option D. This is 24 minus 4. तो ये सब नहीं है. It is this which is the answer to this question. Writing it down for the ready reference. Okay, so look at all the number statements and you can see that this is the correct answer. So please tick option C as the answer to this question. On to the next question. Question number 10. Which of the following number line shows 7 minus 4 equal to 3? So ये सब number line है, right? इसमें 7 minus 4 equal to 3 कौन सा दिखा रहा है? Okay, so 7 minus 4 मतलब there should be a jump from 0 to 7, and then 7 से minus 4 हो रहा है मतलब it has to be a jump in the left direction, and final answer should be 3. Okay, so if you look at final answer 3 वाले options कौन सा है? ये है, correct? And as you can see, the jump is from 0 to 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So hence D is the answer to this question. Now let us look at option A. वो दिखा क्या रहा है option A? So this is 7 because the jump is to 7 minus 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4 है ये. Okay, and this one is the jump is going to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 पे जा रहा है, right, final jump, and then it is finally going to 7, okay, by jumping by 3, right? So it is 4 plus 3, this one. And if you look at this one, this is going to 3 and then to 7, okay, and then doing a subtraction, minus, and coming to 4. So this is 3 plus 4 minus 3 equal to 4. ये वाला है, ठीक है? So that's why 7 minus 4 equal to 3 is option D, which is answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 11. This minus this equal to what? So first we should understand what is written on the abacus. Abacus पे दिया क्या है, कितने beads है, okay, वो count करना है. So if you look at this, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So tens place में 4 है और ones place में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 47 minus इधर 2 beads है and this is 24. So it is 47 minus 24. So let's do it. Doing the subtraction, I get answer as 23. So please take option B as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 12. Which of the following options is incorrect? ठीक है, सो हमें 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, उसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है? इनकरेक्ट मतलब जो रॉन्ग है, दैट विल बी द आंसर. ओके, सो 84 माइनस 84 क्या है? 0. एनीथिंग माइनस एनीथिंग विल बी 0. ठीक है, एनी नंबर माइनस एनी नंबर विद द सेम नंबर इज गोइंग टू बी 0. सो ये तो करेक्ट है, ठीक है. 48 minus 12, if you do this vertical subtraction, you will get this as 36. So ये correct है. Okay, so kids please try करो इसको rough sheet में to get the answer. Okay, then 73 minus 21, it will be 52 and not 42. Okay, so that's why this should be answer to this question. But let us still look at 64 minus 42, which will be equal to, indeed equal to 22. So all these options are correct. Only option C is incorrect, and they are also asking for incorrect. वो मांग भी रहे incorrect option, right? So please tick option C as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 13. How many more dolls should be crossed to show the given subtraction sentence, which is 16 minus 8? Okay, हमें subtraction sentence क्या चाहिए? 16 minus 8. So यहाँ पे total dolls कितनी है? 16 है, right? Which you can also count. But minus 8 करना है तो कितने minus already किए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सिर्फ 6 क्रॉस किए हैं, but we have to cross 8. So we should cross 2 more dolls. 1, 2. So when we cross 2 more dolls, this will become 16 minus 8, and hence option B is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 14. Which of the following has the value less than 27? Okay, so यहाँ पे subtraction दिया है sub में. What are we expected to do is to do the subtraction and find out the answer, okay, and then compare it with the 27. So value should be less than 27. So jiska bhi value is less than 27 is going to be the answer to this question. So for that we should solve it. So matlab हमें इनको सबको solve करना है. So this is 62 ones minus 20 ones, right? So which is 62 minus 20. 62 minus 20 is equal to 42. Okay, 42 minus 30. This is 4 tens plus 2 ones, right? So this is 42 minus 30. 42 minus 30 is 12, and 12 is actually less than 27 because they want less than 27. So this is answer to this question, but we should still check these ones. So this is 3 tens, 2 ones, which is 32 minus 2 ones, minus 2. So 32 minus 2 is equal to, this is 30, right? And this is 5 tens and 9 ones, which is 59 minus 3 tens and 2 ones. So 59 minus 32, right? So which is equal to 27. So 27, is 27 less than 27? No, it is equal to. इसलिए हमारा आंसर is option B. Please tick it. Moving to the next question. Question number 15. Which subtraction sentence gives the same value as 45 minus 32? So ये सब जो options दिए हैं, all these have to be done with vertical subtraction. So vertically इनको subtract करना है, ठीक है, and you have to find out value of this also, 45 minus 32, and you have to see इसमें से कौन सा वही आंसर आएगा जो 45 minus 32 देगा. So what is 45 minus 32? It is nothing but 13, right? So we should get 13 in these answers. So इसमें से कौन सा 13 आता है? Let's check that. 64 minus 52 is nothing but 12. Okay, kids, इसको please आप rough sheet में vertically subtract करो and then find out the answers. Okay, I'm doing it mentally. All right. Okay, 76 minus 63. So this is 13, right? And which is answer to this question, isn't it? But let us still look at option C and D. 59 minus 43. So this will be 16, correct? Okay, and this is 47 minus 33. So which will be 14, right? So hence option B is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 16, which is from Everyday Mathematics section. Anju bought 35 cookies. She gave 12 cookies to her brother. How many cookies are left with her? 35 cookies उसने buy किया था. Okay, किसने? अंजू ने. उसमें से 12 cookies has been given to her brother. Okay, so कितने अभी बचे हैं? How much is, how many cookies are left with her? So that can be found by doing subtraction, which is 35 minus 12. So let's do it. Doing 35 minus 12, I get it as 23, which is option D. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 17. Ria has blue buttons. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 blue buttons and red buttons. Now, how many red buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 5 blue buttons and 12 red buttons. Okay, how many more blue buttons are needed so that blue buttons are equal to red buttons? Okay, सो कितने और ब्लू बटन्स होने चाहिए सो दैट blue buttons will be equal to red buttons, that is it will become 12. So for that what you need to do is find the difference between them. So 12 minus 5, which is 7. So when I have 7 more blue buttons, my blue buttons will become 12, which is same as red buttons. Okay, so please tick option C as the answer to this question. Next question, question number 18. There are these many frogs. तो कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 frogs in a pond. Okay, 2 frogs jumped off. Out of 7, 2 jumped off. Which number sentence represents the number of frogs left in the pond? So number of frogs left in the pond will be 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So यहाँ पे number sentence कौन सा है? It is option B. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Please tick option B as the answer to this question. Next question, 19th question. Akshay drinks 5 packets of juice from a carton of 13 packets of juice. How many packets are left in the carton? So 5 packets उसने पी लिया है और कितने थे total 13. So how many are left? That can be found out by 13 minus 5. Correct? So 13 minus 5 is 8, which is option D. Please tick it. Moving to the next question, question number 20. Sonia has 90 marbles. Okay, she gave 25 marbles to Sneha and 15 marbles to Tanu. Okay, how many marbles are left with her? So 90 is the total number of marbles with her, but she has given 25 to Sneha and 15 to Tanu. So how much she has gave? It is 25 plus 15. So she has given 25 to 15 to two of her friends, right? So वो कितना आता है? Let's calculate that. So total she has given 40 marbles to her friends. ठीक है? Now the question is how many marbles are now left with her? So which means you have to do 90 minus 40. 90 minus 40 करोगे तो you will know कि कितने marbles are now left with Sonia. So let's do that. Doing the subtraction, I get the answer as 50. So now 50 marbles are left with Sonia, which is option A. Please tick it. Moving on to the next section, Achievers section, also known as HOTS, and it carries 2 marks for each question in the question paper. Okay, so question number 21. Find the value of x and y respectively. Respectively मतलब x का वैल्यू क्या है, y का वैल्यू क्या है. So ये जो ऑप्शन दिया है 9,8, which means the first value is for x and the second value is for y. अगर ये y, x होता, y and x respectively, so first value would have been y and the second value would have been x. But however, here question is x and y respectively. So first value is x and the second value is y in these options. Okay. So now let us closely look at the subtraction which has been given. Y, x and y are there and minus 53 is equal to 36. Okay, so the way you have to understand this question is from what number if you subtract 3 you will get 6, right? From what number if you subtract 3 you will get 6, which means 6 plus 3 that will be 9. So 9 में से 3 अगर आप subtract करोगे तो आपको 6 आएगा ना, right? So because यहाँ पे subtraction दिया है you can do the reverse. So y is equal to 6 plus 3 which is 9. Okay, so now we have got value of y which is 9. Similarly, x will be a value from which if you subtract 5 you will get 3, which means x will be 5 plus 3. So उसको उल्टा करना है, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है ना, आपको उल्टा करना है. So 5 plus 3 which is 8. Okay, so respectively है 8x and y. So x is 8 and y is 9, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. मैच द फॉलोइंग. कॉलम 1 में आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हैं जिसमें कुछ क्रॉस किया है. सो विच मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन हैज बीन डन एंड उसका expression has been given, so which is nothing but the number statement, right? So you have been given a number statement over here. So हमें check करना है कि column 1 and column 2 में क्या match कर रहा है. Okay, so now let's look at first one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 है, उसमें क्रॉस किया है 3. So this is 8 minus 3, which is option C. Okay, so 1 will go to C. अब यहाँ देखते हैं 1 going to C कौन सा है. It is either B or it is D. इन दोनों में ही आंसर आएगा, बाकियों में नहीं आने वाला है. So let's see. Now how many mice has been given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 और 2 को क्रॉस किया. So this is 9 minus 2, which is 2 is going to D. Okay, so B में 2 is going to D and D में भी 2 is going to D. ठीक है. So now let us look at 3. How many dogs have been given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और कितने क्रॉस किए? 3. So which means 3 will go to A. 7 minus 3, right? And over here teddy bear. So this has to be now left over 9 minus 5. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 और कितने क्रॉस किए? 5. So this is indeed 9 minus 5. Okay, all right. So let us look what we have got. 1 to C, 2 to D, 3 to A and 4 to B, which is option D. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 23. If can is equal to 10 and cup is equal to 5, then which of the following is correct? So हमें correct option इसमें से find out करना है. Okay, and let us first convert them into number statements. Okay, number sentences. So can plus cup. So this is 10 because can is 10 and cup is 5. So 10 plus 5. Okay, and यहाँ पे can है, कितने हैं? 2 can. So 10 plus 10, which is 20. And here you have how many cups? 2 cups. 5 plus 5, which is 10. So this will become 20 minus 10. Okay, so वैसे ही we have to solve all the equations. So let me write them for you. So writing it in the number statement, this is what I get. 10 plus 5 equal to 20 minus 10. So this becomes as 15 equal to 10. 15 equal to 10 होता है क्या? No, right? That's not possible. So this is wrong. ठीक है? Okay, now let us look at option B. 10 plus 5 and this is going to become 10 minus 5 plus 5. मतलब this is 10 minus 10. So that will become 15 equal to 0. 15 equal to 0 होता है क्या? No, this is also not correct. Let's look at option C. 10 plus 5 है equal to, this is 20 minus 5. 15 equal to 15. Yes, this is a correct option. Should be answer to this question, right? फिर भी हम लोग D check करते हैं. 10 plus 5 equal to 20 minus, this is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 20 minus 15, so 15 equal to 5. Not possible, na? So this is also wrong. So please tick option C as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 24. Which abacus represents 4 tens, 9 ones minus 1 10, 3 ones? Okay, so first we should do the subtraction here. And then जो answer रहता है, let us see if that is present on the abacus and which abacus it is there. Okay, so let's do the subtraction first. So doing the subtraction, what I get? 49 minus 13 is equal to 36. So 4 tens and 9 ones is 49 and 1 10, 3 ones is 13, right? So you get answer as 36. Now let us see what all these abacus are showing. So the abacus shows these numbers. This one is 49, 36, 59 and 26. And we are looking for 36, which is option B. Please tick it. Question number 25, which is the last question of this section and of the chapter as well. Replace P and Q with the appropriate signs respectively. Okay, so P का क्या sign है और Q का क्या sign होना चाहिए is what is the question. So you see this is 7 and then there is a 3. There has to be a sign. P will be plus or minus, and then you see over here 3 and then there is 1, right? So you see this as Q. Okay, so which means we have to find out P and Q in such a way ये equal to बना रहेगा. Okay, which means let us start substituting it over here. If I say plus, so 7 plus 3, this will become 10, and Q agar plus hai, so 3 plus 1 will become 4. 10 equal to 4? No, not possible. So this is not going to be the answer. Let's try with B. 7 plus 3, it becomes 10, and यहाँ minus करूँ तो 3 minus 1 will become 2. So 10 equal to 2? No. चलो फिर माइनस करते हैं. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. ठीक है. And plus sign use करते हैं. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Yes. So 4 equal to 4 is correct. So C should be the answer to this question. But let us still try option D. Okay. So 7 minus 3, 4. And अगर Q minus है तो 3 minus 1 will be 2. 4 equal to 2? No. Right? And that is why option C is the correct answer. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. So this is how OMR sheet will look like. You're expected to shade the circles like this. जो भी answer है उसको shade करना है. For example, 25 का answer C है. So against 25 number, I will shade C. This is very very important to do because यहीं पे आंसर चेक किया जाता है. What you're doing in your question paper, it doesn't matter. This is your answer sheet. यहीं पे चेक किया जाता है what you have shaded. One mistake over here, everything will go for toss. सब wrong हो जाएगा. 24 का आंसर B है, I've shaded B. गलती से मैंने C को shade किया तो वो समझा जाएगा कि I have answered 24 as C. 24 as C तो 59 है, करेक्ट नहीं है ना. So this way you will end up losing marks. Okay, all right. So with this we completed the chapter. Let us move to the table of content and put a tick mark on chapter 3 and give yourself a thumbs up, kids. Good job. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye bye.